Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, I'm Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, everybody was waiting for the jobs number to come out before the open today, and when it came out, futures in the S&P 500, the Dow, really started tanking. The private sector lost 700,000 jobs in December, which is worse than expected, and the market's down about 2.5% today. The S&P 500 down more than 20 points. A lot of people were wondering over the holidays why the VIX was holding strong at 40. Through the holiday season between Christmas and New Year's, we were really not seeing a lot of volatility in the marketplace. And if you look back at the price charts, the S&P 500 was moving at about a 25 vol rather than a 40 vol, which people were pricing VIX futures at. Now, after the new year, we've really see a return to that realized volatility in the 40 range. Now, with the VIX at 40, what that's implying on a daily basis is that 1 out of every 3 days or so, you're going to see a move in the S&P 500 over 2.5%. And if the S&P 500 doesn't move like that over a long period of time, you'd expect the VIX to start creeping under 40. Now, we've had 4 days since the new year, and 2 of the 4, more than 1 in 3, have been over 2.5% moves. We had the first day, January 2nd, we had a 3% up day, then we had 2 quiet up days, and today we've had a big down day, 2.5% down. So the people who are continuing to price the VIX around 40 look like they've made a solid bet there. The VIX has crept up over 40 today. It's up around 42. Both the January and February futures over 41. And if we look back a couple days, our biggest trade in the last few weeks was 2 days ago. People were buying the February 55 calls. They bought 20,000 of them. They bought them for $1.05. They were betting on the VIX popping even higher than the 38 it was at then. Now we're at about 41. Those calls, which were worth $1.05, are now worth $1.45. So those investors are seeing a return on their initial investment. We've had about 1,500 of those trade today, 20,000 traded 2 days ago. Today has been a lighter volume day, not quite what yesterday or the day before is, but still more than the holidays. That's what we got going on here. Check back for more. Jamie Tyrrell, Option Monster.
Any of you boys seen an aircraft carrier around here?